Welcome everyone to question 13 in bit match. So in this question what we're going to do is we're going to find out whether a couple exists or not. Okay, if there is no couple, we have to find out what that data is which doesn't have a couple. So in this question, a couple means there should be two pairs of same number. For example, in this question we have two ones and we have two twos, but we only have one three. So this 3 is not a couple. Okay. So we have to find that data which doesn't have a couple. So in this case, 3 will be our output. Okay. This is theoretical answer. I hope you have understood. We have to find out a non-couple data here. Now, how can we do it in a coding way in a bit map? Is we're going to use a XOR operation. So for simplicity's sake, I'm taking another example first, a small example. Let us say we have data of 1, 2, 1, and clearly visually we can say we have a alone data which is 2 here. So 2 will be our output in this case, but now using XOR operation we'll find out how 2 is the answer. Okay, in the XOR operation what we're going to use is 0. Okay, now everyone know what is a XOR operation. If a same bit is there, then the answer will be 0. If different bits are there, then the answer will be different one. For example, this is for 0. We will always start with 0 and we will take the number whatever given inside this. Now simply XOR operation says if the bits are same, then it will be 0. So we're going to use that operation here. So in this case you can see 1 1 is there, 1 1 is same, it is a 0, right? Now if we are starting with 0 0 0 and now first digit that will be 1. Now just keep that 0 0 1. Okay, this XOR operation will get 0 0 1. You can take next two also. Even if you don't follow like this, even if you take directly one also, then also it is fine. Let us take directly one here and see what we are getting. 0 0 1. Now we got 0 0 0, right? You can see that if two ones are there, by using a XOR operation we will get 0. So whatever the data is remaining inside the array, if it is alone, so we will get those binary digits of that alone couple only. So that will be our answer. Okay, now let us take 2. If you take 2 here, 0 1 0, so answer will also be 0 1 0. See, this is the remaining data that we need. I have taken 1 1 2. You can take 1 2 1 also, still it will generate the same answer. Okay, there is no issue in ordering. You can go from left to right, or you can sort and just take a sort. That is also works. 0 0 1, this is 1 here, first number will get 0 0 1. Now we're taking second digit, that is 2 here, 0 1 0. We'll do a binary operation for that. Now do the XOR operation again here, we'll get 1 1 0. Okay, now the final data we have is 1, a1. We do XOR operation of this 0 0 1, we will be having 0 1 0 at the last. See, even in the left side case or in the right side case, we got the same answer, 0 1 0. So we're going to apply the same method inside the array example here. Okay, I have already written that. Now you can see that XOR operations that I have done. First we had taken 0, then I have taken 1 in a binary form, then I did a bit operation, then we got a do a XOR operation with 2 with the output. Okay, and you can see again we got some output. Again we will do some XOR operation with the next digit. Okay, you can 1 2 3 2 and 1. This is our array which is given on the left side, and I am taking one by one. This is first we have taken 1, then we have taken 2, then we have taken 3, and every time we have taken a XOR operation only. Okay, after doing this repeatedly we will get one final answer here, that is 0 1 1. So if you convert this into a decimal form, this will be 3. Okay, and this is our output for this question. I hope you have understood how to find out a lone couple using the XOR operation method. Let's go into the coding section so it will be more clear. Now we're inside the coding section part. As you can see, I have initialized the variable with 0 because we are going to start the XOR operation with 0 here. Okay, now we are just taking a loop and iterating each and every data. Now doing XOR operation with every data, we will get one final answer at the last, which will be a lone couple like we have discussed in the presentation. So that will be the answer we're going to return. Okay, I hope you have understood the code and the presentation also. If you like the video, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to support our channel. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another question.